Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use InfinitePay.io for healthcare payments. Whether you are a healthcare provider or a patient, InfinitePay.io provides a secure and efficient way to handle payments for medical services. So let's get started. First, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the healthcare payments or payment section. This is where you can manage and process payments related to healthcare services. Now, to receive payments for healthcare services, create an invoice or payment request through your InfinitePay.io account and include details such as the service description, amount due, and payment terms. Now, to make a payment for healthcare services, select on send payment or a similar option. Now enter the recipient's details including their payment information and the amount to be paid. After that, review the payment details and confirm the transaction. Make sure to include any references or notes related to the healthcare services being paid for. Now, track and manage payments through the InfinitePay.io dashboard. You can monitor payment statuses, view transaction history, and handle any issues that may arise. Ensure that both parties have set up their payment details correctly to facilitate smooth and secure transactions. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use InfinitePay.io for healthcare payments. This platform helps you manage and process payments for medical services efficiently and securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.